Want to offer your customers a rainbow of choices and sizes in your Printify store? Let's dive straight into how to add variants to your products in Printify, making your store more appealing and user-friendly, even if you're a complete beginner. First, head over to Printify and either create a new product or select an existing one you want to jazz up with different options. Once you're in the product editing screen, look for the Variants section. Click on Add Variant option. You'll see a drop-down menu where you can choose the type of variant you want to add, like size or color. Select your desired option. Now, add the specific values for your variant. For example, if you're adding sizes, type in S, M, L, XL, and so on. Hit enter after each value to add it to the list. If you're adding colors, you can usually select from a color swatch or enter a hex code for more precise color matching. Next, assign mockups to each variant. This is super important so your customers can actually see what they're buying. Click on each variant and upload or select the appropriate mockup image. Finally, adjust the pricing for each variant. Sometimes larger sizes or specific colors might cost you more to produce, so adjust your retail price accordingly to maintain your profit margin. Once you're happy with your variant setup, hit that save button. Congratulations! You've just leveled up your Printify store and are ready to offer your customers a wider range of choices. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Printify tips.